Silipin naman natin ang mga naganap sa photo exhibit na pinamagatang United for Progress, 80 Years of United Nations Partnership with the Filipino People na binuksan kamakailan lamang sa National Anti-Poverty Commission Office dito sa Quezon City. Panoorin po natin to.
Sa loob ng 80 taon, nananatiling matibay ang ugnayan ng United Nations at ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Isang pagsasamang puwersa para sa kaunlaran, kapayapaan at pagkakapantay-pantay. Ito ang binigyang pugay sa photo exhibit na may pamagat na United for Progress, 80 Years of United Nations Partnership with the Filipino People na binuksan kamakailan sa National Anti-Poverty Commission Office sa Quezon City.
Indeed, the United Nations is a great partner of the Philippines, and the other way around. I mean, the Philippines is an amazing contributor to the UN as a founding member of the United Nations. So for 80 years, the relationship has been very, very close. And what we are today inaugurating again in NAPC, and we are showing different examples of the contributions of the United Nations in the Philippines. So you can see around you some examples of vaccination campaigns that have been run in the 60s and the 70s by the World Health Organization and UNICEF.
Layunin ng exhibit na ito na ipakita ang mga mahalagang achievements at programang naisakatuparan ng UN sa Pilipinas sa loob ng 80 taon sa pamamagitan ng mga litrato mula sa paglaban sa kahirapan, pagtataguyod ng kapayapaan hanggang sa pagpapalakas ng inclusive development.
This exhibit is not only a display of these photos and posters, but I think it will inspire people that can look at it. They will inspire them to honor the history of the United Nations, the Philippines, especially when the Philippines is in crisis. It is the United Nations that help us. Through this, they will reminisce the past and they will remember how the UN helped us for 80 years.
Higit sa lahat, nilalayon din ng exhibit na maipaunawa sa publiko, lalo na sa mga kabataan, ang mahalagang papel ng UN sa paghubog ng mas makatarungan at mas maunlad na lipunang Pilipino.
As an educator, I think I will be of great help, especially our organization, whose members are mostly in the academe. So we could bring awareness to students, to the faculty.
Pinangunahan ng United Nations Resident Coordinator's Office kasama ang National Anti-Poverty Commission at United Nations Association of the Philippines ang pagdiriwang ng 8 dekadang solidarity at pakikipag-ugnayan. Ang nasabing exhibit ay bukas at maaring bisitahin ng publiko hanggang February 3 sa opisina ng NAPC sa Quezon City.
Well, inaanyayahan natin ang ating mga stakeholders na maaaring magtungo dito sa tanggapan ng National Anti-Poverty Commission at tingnan yung bisitahin yung ating mga exhibit ng United Nations at inaasahan natin na ito ay ibabahagi pa natin sa ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan, sa mga sektor, sa mga campuses at nang sa gayon ay mas marami pang makakita at makaunawa ng mga partnership ng UN at ng Government of the Republic of the Philippines.